right? How we went from 15,000, more than 15,000 market cap to about 5,719 market cap. If you're seeing our video for the first time, guys, welcome to the community. We have loads and loads of things you will love to see in this community. We have loads of videos that you can enjoy in this community. Guys, you're welcome. You're welcome. Smash the subscribe button, join the community fully, turn on your notification to always get the latest videos that we are posting on this community. It's a great one. It's a great one. And now, without any further ado, let's jump on LayerEdge. So firstly, I would like to discuss what happened with the token we created in the last video. We created a token in the last video on pump.fun. If you have not seen that video, guys, after watching this video, you can jump on that video and see how it went down, right? How we went from 15,000, more than 15,000 market cap to about 5,719 market cap. It's a crazy world out there in the world of meme token. So what happened is exactly what I predicted in that video, right? I told you guys they were going to sell because I noticed that majority of those who are buying are more of a bot. And yeah, exactly what I said happened. They all sold the same day that we created the token, and nothing has actually been able to really happen for the token since then. So guys, be careful out there, and like I said, that video is just for you to get educated on how the meme coin world is. People move on quickly, and so be very careful when you are investing your money in a new meme coin, or if you're trying to set up your own meme coin. I'm still going to do a video on how to actually set it up properly so that you get to have some sustainable users and buyers who wants to stay on the project. But as for T3 that we created, guys, it went all to ground zero. I won't say ground zero. I'm still holding. I haven't sold yet, and my bonding curve has gone to 1% from 30 something or 40 something bonding curve. So guys, that is that about the token. And as you can see those guys that bought the token the same day, they all sold their own part of it. I mean, those bots, let's say those bots that bought the token all sold their own side of the whole store. So guys, that's how it happens in the world of meme coin. So let's go back to the main topic of today, which is LayerEdge. I've discussed about LayerEdge before, like I said, and guys, if you are not on LayerEdge, you should be on LayerEdge, because I think these guys might be up to something here. So according to them, they said we are building a Bitcoin-backed internet using BitVM based trust minimized verification and proof aggregation for all layers and apps. So that's what LayerEdge is all about, and the testnet is live, and people are already, joining the testnet, and this is what I've been doing with them for quite a number of days now. I have been able to farm about 311,000 points, and you will see a lot of people that have done much more than these. I'm very certain of that. And if you want to join, I'll drop a link in the description, and also add my referral code. So you should join with my referral code and join my clique. This might be something. This might actually be something. So how do you actually start your journey to set up your LayerEdge? It's very, very simple. It's just straightforward. The first thing you need to do is to log into to the link through the link I'll be providing in the description below, which is dashboard.layeredge.io, and then it will request for a particular referral code. You input the referral code, and then you will be on this dashboard. This dashboard is straightforward, and if you could see some things happening here, and you see the lightnode running. I connect my wallet. You can claim your reward. You can start node. Let me try claiming for today, and let's see if I'm able to claim. Okay, so he has just loaded my trust wallet. Click on confirm. Let's see. It's taken ridiculously too long to do this. It has never always been like this. It's just straightforward, and then you could claim and then move on to the next things. Okay, so it's taking too long, but it has claimed my 7th day. As you can see, my 7th day is claimed. LayerEdge is straightforward, and you do not need to do so much things for you to start accumulating points on LayerEdge. As I've said earlier, all you need to do is to go into the description, pick a link, pick the referral link that I've attached in the description, and then use my referral code to join my clique, which is very, very important. I think you have to input the code before you can have access to the LayerEdge dashboard, and then you will find yourself on this same dashboard. All you need to do is to connect to your wallet. Any EVM wallet, can be Trust Wallet, can be MetaMask, any wallet of your choice, and then you are connected. Then after that, all you need to do is to start your node and leave it running. And as you can see here, they said log back in every 24 hours to keep running your light node. So every 24 hours you can log back in to start your light node. What I did when we started was I will always leave my PC on so that I can keep farming the point. But I think they've done an update here where you can just log back in 24 hours to keep running your light node, so you do not really need to put your PC on 24/7. But that is how we started. And as you can see here, it said that total node uptime is 168 hours that I have done. They said daily node uptime is 12 hours a day plus strict bonus. That means that every 12 hours you need to come here and start your node. This particular start node button will have turned to start node, and all you need to do is to click that start node, and it will connect your wallet again, and then you start running your light node, which is very straightforward. At the same time, you need to claim your daily strict bonus. You claim that every day. I think it's about 25,000 bonus. If you click on that, it will give you an extra bonus of 25,000, I think, every, let's say, day. So that's that about layer node. There is no much to see here. This is the dashboard. The task is still logged, the proofs are logged, and if you click on here, you will see to take you to your referrals. As you can see, I have no referrals here. So guys, use my referral link to join layer node. I think they are up to something. This might be up to something. And then they have their FAQs that answers every of the questions that you have. Where can I get my referral code, my node point turn 0, and so many other questions that you might have. You can also drop them in the comment section. I'm going to be answering those I'm going to be answering those questions if you drop them in the comment section. Then they have their explorer that will take you to another page. Then they have their website that will also take you to another page. Let's take a look at their website and see what they have here, if this is going to load on time. But again, guys, I don't want you guys to play with airdrop this year, and that's the reason why I have decided to be giving you videos on airdrop every week. So guys, don't sleep on airdrop. Airdrop is one of the best ways for you to raise capital if you do not have any liquidity stored anywhere, or you don't have a side gig you are doing that could make you money that you can then invest into crypto. If you guys want me to talk about side gigs you can do to put money together for you that will help you earn more, and then you can now transfer that money into crypto. So guys, don't joke with any airdrop this year. Take advantage of every airdrop and use it to raise enough capital that you can now invest properly in crypto through trading, futures, or spot trade, or even even aping on the meme coins, right? But yeah, this is just for educational purpose. This is not financial advice, guys. So yeah, let's take a look at their websites. This is it. Bitcoin backed internet. It said powering trustless settlement and trust minimized verification on Bitcoin at 99% lower cost for all layers and application, incentive testnets, and documentation. I'm not going to be checking their documentation right now, but the explorer is not loaded. So that's that about LayerEdge. If you watch this video this long, guys, thumbs up to you. Big up yourselves. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible, and smash the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. We have loads of videos you will enjoy. We have loads of content coming, so don't miss out on it. If you missed our last video, guys, jump on it right now, watch it and see how we launch a T3 meme token on pom.fun and how it went from 15,000 market cap and back to 5,700 market cap thanks to bot buying and selling. And the reason is because I want you to be conscious in the meme market, and also I want you to experience how these memes are created. If you want me to create a meme token and a more, give you an in-depth knowledge on how to create your meme token, set up your website, set up your socials, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that. And I also have loads of other how to create meme tokens through other mediums coming up in the coming weeks. So guys, thank you once again. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Big up your damn selves.